This is the updated version of the Aviator clock. It uses the software from the new power station clock. The main changes on this version are the analog seconds update every second, the hands fly backwards at the end of minutes and hours, and the display wakes up after PIR deactivation immediately without resetting the clock first. It is approaching 1 o'clock, the fourth quarter chime rings out, followed by the single 1 o'clock bell. At a new hour or minute, the hands fly backwards to their home positions rather than flying forward as in the last version of this clock.